Hi, Jeremy. This is Jared at Fraser Ford in Oshawa. Thank you very much for reaching out to us regarding the amazing Mach 1. It's a very special car and a fantastic choice. I wanted to reach out to you as our Ford Performance Specialist to introduce myself personally and let you know that I'll be helping you with your inquiry. In fact, if you look in your inbox in just a few moments, you'll see an email from me answering the questions that you had asked. Along with, I embedded a couple of really cool links for you to check out and enjoy. In considering the Mach 1, I do have a question. With this sort of specification, are you thinking about tracking this car, or is this a vehicle that's going into your collection? I'll just be able to tailor your experience based on that answer. If I don't hear back from you on my email, I will follow up to ensure that you've got all the information that you need to make a really informed decision. Again, Jeremy, thanks so much for contacting Fraser Ford here in Oshawa, and I look forward to talking with you soon.